India reports the highest single-day spike of 11,458 new COVID-19 cases and 386 deaths in the last about 24 hours. India crosses the 3 lakh mark when it comes to the number of cases. Total number of cases in the country now at 3,08,993, including 1,45,779 active cases, 1,54,330 recoveries, and 8,884 deaths. Karnataka reports 271 cases in the last about 24 hours, taking the total tally to 6,516 cases. Karnataka has 2,995 active cases. Total COVID deaths have increased to 79, with 7 new deaths being reported, out of which 4 deaths have been reported from Bengaluru. And in the silver lining, Karnataka sees the highest number of discharges in the last 24 hours. 464 people have been discharged, of which 129 people are from Yadgir, 125 from Udupi, 62 from Belagavi and 60 from Kalaburgi, taking the total number of discharges to 3,440 in the state. A 5-year-old child is suspected to have contracted COVID-19 in Hassan. The child had reported heavy fever on the 11th. The child and the family had gone to their relative's place to discuss a marriage proposal. The family of the child have been quarantined and the area has been isolated. Prime Minister Modi will hold a fresh set of meetings with Chief Ministers of states and union territories on the 16th and 17th of June. The meetings will be held through teleconferencing. The Chief Ministers have been grouped into 2 categories. The first category will interact with the Prime Minister on the 16th of June and the second category on the 17th of June. The video conferencing will begin at 3 p.m. on both the days. Amit Shah, the Health Minister, and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal to meet tomorrow to discuss COVID-19 situation in the national capital. On Friday, Delhi reported 2,137 new COVID-19 cases, the first time that over 2,000 fresh cases were reported in a 24-hour span in Delhi.
I would just like to assure everyone that the entire situation along our borders with China is under control.
When questioned about the situation with China, Army Chief M.M. Naravane assures that the situation is under control along the border with China. On Friday, the 2 sides held further talks, this time at the Major General level, to resolve the standoff. A joint operation has been launched against terrorists and infiltrators based on intelligence inputs in Maldera, Shopian of Jammu and Kashmir. A cordon has been laid and contact established. A firefight ensued and an operation is underway. Major tragedy averted after security personnel detect defuse IED on Srinagar Bandipura Road. The suspected IED, consisting a small cylinder with a timer, was found near a bridge on River Erin in Bandipur district earlier in the day. Rains and thunderstorms witnessed in Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and Bengaluru as well. Heavy rains predicted by IMD in Maharashtra. Very heavy rain also likely over West Bengal and Odisha.